What's up and welcome back to another vlog. I am going to Nitish and Ashley's place to pick up mom and dad and bring them over to our place. They're gonna have lunch and dinner here and have some fun with the babies, spend some time. And yeah, so let's go pick them up, and for dinner I'm gonna make something special for them. That is basically kali jeera rice. Using kali jeera rice, basanti pulao, it's a Bengali dish, and chicken. So I need to pick up rice from the store, so let's go. And here is mom and dad finally. So you guys have already met mom. She was here like in 2018 March. In 2018, but that's my dad and he's visiting for the first time. Do you like it? Till now?
I am lost absolutely. I have not seen the house so decorated, so well kept, and it is more than I could imagine.
But do you like the place where like North Carolina where we live?
Yes, North Carolina is also very good.
I think Mama can compare between Florida and NC, and I think NC is very beautiful. Abhi aap when you
many years ago, but the look was very nice.
Very nice.
The only problem what I really faced, I am very blunt, which I faced is that Mr. Marble is climbing on me all the time.
So you guys know how Marvel meets everybody. If anybody new comes over, he has to he literally takes like 10 minutes to meet that person. He jumps and he gives kisses and hugs.
I'm not a newcomer, in fact I came before you.
So yeah, that's what happened with them. He took his own sweet time to meet them. But yeah, they're settling in, they're having some tea. We're gonna make some lunch. I don't know what we're gonna do for lunch, but let's see. क्या ठंडा है?
ये मतलब गाड़ी
ठंडी नहीं है, मतलब
बहुत ठंडी है।
उसके लिए एकदम परफेक्ट है।
गाड़ी आपको पता नहीं है, आपके चक्कर में गर्म कर रखी है उसके चक्कर
मैंने गर्म की थी उस समय जब मम्मा बोल रही थी ठंड लग रही बट बहुत गर्मी है उसके लिए।
रुकवा के उतर जाएगा इससे ज्यादा गर्म करी तो।
अच्छा
उसकी बहुत गर्मी है।
Alrighty guys, we are out for shopping. Mom and dad wants to take me for my birthday shopping, which is tomorrow. So
Today. It has actually started.
It has actually started in India today. So we are going out.
Already started.
Yes. So let's go.
Alright guys, we are having dinner. Let me show you guys what are we having. Everyone is over here. This guy is over here.
He wants to eat hot rice.
We are having basanti pulao, chicken. She's having egg curry and salad.
Look at him, he just ran upstairs. We are done with dinner. Mom and dad left with Nitish and Ashley. And tomorrow, what is happening over here? He's trying to run like Marvel. And there he comes running down. Where are you going, mister? He got zoomies. Does he have something?
Yeah, he has this.
He's got zoomies going on right now. Look at him. Marvel! Slow down, mister. This is what happens in our house after dinner. Anyways, they left and then I got some stuff from Old Navy, and restaurant shopping I'm gonna do on Saturday or some other day basically. And what was I gonna say? Mom and dad really loved the basanti pulao and chicken that we made. It came out really good actually. And another thing, what was I gonna say? Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna meet for our birthday dinner in an Italian restaurant which we really wanted to try for a very long time, and there he comes again. Marvel!
What you doing?
The zoomies going on. But anyways, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you like, subscribe and share, and I'm gonna see you in our next vlog, which is gonna be tomorrow, my birthday vlog. So yeah,
and her birthday has already started in India.
In India, yes.
So happy birthday.
Thank you. Alright, see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.